Hello everyone, it's been too long since I last released a video. These videos that I'm releasing now are actually 4 features that were released in the summer. So I should have done them a long time ago, I just haven't had time unfortunately. So the first feature I want to talk about is the network history, and you can find that under More, Network Setup, Network History. If we go ahead and select it. In order to use this feature, your network must be shared out. What it's doing is it allows you to have 2 different types of backup. There's the bottom one here, which are snapshots. A snapshot is taken each time you make any configuration change to your network. And on the right hand side, it shows you the device that made the change and also the timestamp of when it happened. You can store up to 50 snapshots on your phone. When you've reached 50, the oldest one is automatically removed, which then allows a new one to be put in place. So they constantly rotate, they are constantly overwritten. If you want to keep a permanent backup, you then need to create one yourself using this option at the top, create a new backup. So all you do is simply enter the name for the backup that you want and select OK. As you can see there, there's one that I've created earlier today, and I've named this backup after RGB scenes. So I created some RGB scenes and then saved a backup of my network. The only unfortunate thing is you cannot delete these backups once they're in place. That's it. But they're stored on the Casambi server, they're not stored on your phone. You can restore either a snapshot or a backup in the same way. After you've selected it, you're given 2 or 3 options: preview, restore, and cancel. If you select preview, that will basically show you an example of what your network looks like. So right now I only have a single luminaire in my network, so it's pretty clear. But you could go and check your settings and scenes, etc., and things like that. You then have an option to leave in the top left hand corner, which takes you back to the menu. So you can now restore that backup or cancel it. I don't need to restore it at this point, so I'll just select cancel. And again, as you see, you get exactly the same options if you choose a snapshot as well. And that was that option. Quite simple, but handy.